It's Mike Gary. My company is Yardley Wealth Management. One of the questions we get asked a lot is how much life insurance someone should have. And that depends. If someone is dependent on your ability to earn an income or have a pension or something, and that would be impacted by your death, then you probably need life insurance. Someone young to middle age looking for it probably needs 10 or 12 times their annual salary, might be a normal amount. It's based on the net present value of your unfunded liabilities. Nobody really knows what that number is, and it changes a lot. But if you get a life insurance worth 10 times your salary, um, then the beneficiary of that will be able to get something to you know uh, not be in desperate straits for a while, and likely covered. When we do planning for somebody, we figure out exactly what should be based on what their goals are, and we could give them a better number. But if you're just out there looking to buy insurance, that's what we would say. One thing that came up in our practice last week is the fact that somebody who had not been a client before came in and their spouse had died, and they didn't have any life insurance, and they didn't have it because they had gotten it through the company they worked at, and when they were no longer with the company, it wasn't portable and it wasn't replaced. So if you are relying solely on insurance through the company that you work for, it would be a really good idea to check to see if you leave that company whether you could take that insurance or not. Because if you can't, then you probably need to set up policies on your own. Individual term policies. They're not particularly expensive. You can get a pretty good amount of coverage for the dollars that you pay. What you don't want is like this family had is for the spouse to die with no life insurance. Um, it's a really a terrible thing to have had happen. So if you need life insurance, check out. There's some good websites, and you can get it pretty inexpensively, and it's really important.